In this tutorial series, we'll be covering some of the fundamental concepts of the C# programming language. The concepts that we'll be covering here are also applicable in other programming languages such as Java, C++, and Python. The tool that we'll be using to illustrate these examples is Microsoft Visual Studio. Microsoft Visual Studio can be found at visualstudio.com. I'll be leaving a link in the description so that you can download Microsoft Visual Studio. The version of Microsoft Visual Studio that we'll be using is Visual Studio Community 2017. Here I have Visual Studio already installed. Now I will go up to File, go to New, select Project, and we will select Console App.NET Framework as our project template. Here we will have hello underscore world, and we will select OK. Alright, that's already created. So we'll take out, it's right here, and we will have hello. I just have right here hello world. Alright, now our project is created. Here on the right hand side we can see a solution called Hello World, and inside of that solution called Hello World we have our project Hello World. Now this solution is just a container for holding projects, so we could have had another project inside of our Hello World solution. Alright, and here we have static void main, and static void main is the entry point for all program execution. So when we run our program, whatever lines of code are in between these two curly braces here will be the first to be executed in a sequential order. So we'll write here Console.Write, and we'll put hello world, semicolon, and the semicolon is similar to a full stop in the English language. Now we're going to run our program. Alright, our program ran, but as we can see, it immediately dismissed from the screen. So in order to keep the console on the screen, we will put console.readline. Alright, let's run it again. Now we can see hello world being displayed in the console. Now you may be wondering, where does this Console.Write and this Console.readline comes from? Now this is what we call a namespace, and the namespace is system. Now Console.Write and Console.readline are inside of this container that we call a namespace known as system. If you want to see where this Console.Write and Console.readline is, we can go here at reference, and these are the assemblies that are of the .NET framework. And here on system we are going to go right here, and we're going to view the system assembly in the browser, and here we will go under this assembly here, and we're going to go to system, and we're going to find console, and you can see console here, and inside of console we can see that we have some functions inside of this class right here, and we have beep, clear, and here is our method here that we use, readline, and here is write. Now, as the tutorial goes on, we will discuss about namespaces in more detail. So all we need to know right now is that these functions and classes are a part of the C# programming language. So to think about it, it is almost like you will have, for example, the English language. And in the English language, we have a lot of words that are part of the vocabulary of the English language. So in the next tutorial, we'll continue from here on. Alright.